Exocet update September 16th, 2023. We've removed the rear fascia, freed up the rear wiring harness. Once we get the power antenna disconnected, we'll be able to snake both sides of the rear wiring harness through the parcel shelf openings. Fuel system's exposed. We've removed the convertible top. Exposed atop the fuel tank. Opened up the parcel shelf area. So the rear wiring harness and the fuel door and trunk release are exposed and can be removed after they're snaked through. Strip the interior. Other than some bits like the parking brake, shifter boot. This is pretty much ready to go. Steering column's been freed. We need to remove this still. The wiring harness snakes through the firewall at the left and right side of the car. So we'll have to pull it through from the engine bay to remove it from the car. Remove the air intake, drained all the coolant from the system, remove the radiator. We removed the condenser for the air conditioning, removed the air conditioning hard lines, just the soft lines running to the compressor are left. Still need to loosen the power steering reservoir, remove the cruise control, at least that's what I believe this is. Got some miscellaneous air conditioning, wiring, charcoal canister for emissions, which needs to be removed still. You can see where the air conditioner hard lines snaked into the firewall and into the HVAC system. So making good progress. So here's our pile of parts. We have all the parts for the top, air dam, all the carpeting from inside the car, wiring harnesses that we have been able to free from the dash in the rear for lighting. Fenders, front and rear fascia are underneath these blankets. Pulled the radiator with the air conditioning and radiator fans installed. We have some of the air conditioning hard lines and the condenser, the coolant reservoir, and wiper reservoir are in this bin. Here's the back of the gauge cluster. Plugs in left and right. We have a third plug there. And then this attaches to a wire coming out of the firewall, which I assume is for the odometer. Got the AC blower motor. air intake, various trim. This is the air conditioning cooling unit, and then the HVAC blend system with the heater core still installed. There's the center console, glove box, parcel shelf, the headlight assemblies, and then the tombstone from the center of the dash, along with the HVAC controls. Right here we have the rear of the car, and then this is the back of the center console and dash. Pretty much all of it is just this structure that holds the airbag module for the passenger, and then the defroster line routing.